Hi guys and welcome to SciMarvels. Here, a really cool math riddle that looks simple, but it hides a beautiful logic behind it. Let's see if you can figure it out before I do. A two-digit number becomes 27 greater when its digits are reversed, and the sum of its digits is 11. So, what is the original number? Alright, let's solve it step by step. Let's call our original number x, which has a as 10th digit and b as 1st digit. So the number can be written as x equals 10a plus b. Also, the reverse number y can be written as 10b plus a. We are told that the reverse number is 27 greater than original one. So we can write this as y minus x equals 27. It means 10b plus a minus 10a plus b equals 27. So 10b plus a here minus 10a minus b equals 27. Then we have here 10b and minus b equals 9b, and here plus a minus 10a equals minus 9a equals 27. If we divided both sides by 9, we have 9b minus 9a over 9 equals 27 over 9. Then we have b minus a equals 3, and we call it equation 1. It means that 1's digit or b is 3 more than the 10th digit. We also know that the sum of the digits is 11, so we can write a plus b equals 11, and we call it equation number 2. From equation 1, a equals b minus 3. If we substitute this value in equation 2, we have b minus 3 plus b equals 11. So b and b equals 2b minus 3 equals 11. Then 2b equals 11 plus 3, and then 2b equals 14. So b equals 7. If we substitute b equals 7 in equation 2, we have a plus 7 equals 11. So a equals 11 minus 7, then a equals 4. So x equals 47, and the reverse of x, y, equals 74. But let's quickly check our final answer. 74 minus 47 equals 27. So it confirms our initial condition. Also, 4 plus 7 equal 11. So both conditions match, and there you go. A simple riddle with a logical twist. These are my favorite math puzzles. Short, elegant, and satisfying. Can you make a similar riddle where the reverse number 18 instead of 27? Try it out and drop your answer in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to SciMarvels for more maths like this one. See you in the next video.